2021. Good. Your another date is 30th. In the 2021, 25th May, or say Akuffo told Attorney General not to prosecute MPs fingered in double salary.
Yeah.
Investigation. Martin Amidu. Former special prosecutor. And that screen.
Mamema akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVDH so what friend me Addo searching. Ebusiafo Oreya Okase what friend Christian Donko na Okasa de ma NPP Amayoku no na wakeka na dwen e de akere NPP for penifo which I support him. And then Sam and Ora Donko eka or say and they adibia NPP for FMBA they deserve it because omoba abemuno omunya opportunities no they had your friend say enyama bebre reasons bebre say nko they prosecute NDC for ni bebre but hypocrisy nti omu jaye na NDC for no efa omo ho na esan say NDC for no de omu ye anuonyampe no omo pese omo ye de Ghana for e paint no omo exhibit the Ghana for pe and they are doing it perfectly. Na NPP for the omo yomo Christopher. Yamina to amoka and I'm happy how the NDC is treating NPP. I am damn happy. Ebusa for den no ora Christian Donko e kase ye na nanse yate ensema e koso eye ora chairman untimi a oye chairman e wo Ashanti region aban ensa aka no na ban ensa aka no de ba social media na ehu bi chairman untimi woni fie ene nkrofo omo ko surrounding ni fie anko omo ko che no esin obi a odidi ato Ghana anase wa come up with ideas or person di cool e bagana na ni na atwe me no omo invite chairman untimi odi so na okoe Akufo edino ashedem for the past 3 days today omo ebi mo che so hospital yare omo okoe during investigation or yare mo de no hospital obi so say NIB apeke no Vice President, former Vice President Dr. Baumi Akopi or Wehuno, NPP for Akwakogu Yoko, NIB, demonstration here and there, so amo ense kano. Omo freezing the business account, ne machines or use you no more easy. A whole lot. Omo abon the charges be sell your fraud or Jessica or your quite 1 year a whole lot. Then I Ghana fu be no eka. Which a NPP for because the NDC are happy because they think that their government is doing what he's supposed to do, and a whole lot of Ghanaians, Enya GD, former president now Akuffo Addo. The reason we want to abandon man massively in 2016 because they thought say he is Mr. No Nonsense man. Oba NDC for ya kron for NDC for they are thieves. He didn't do anything about it. And we just having a course. It is NDC for abada say omo yo adwuma they have every right to do it. Nna Mr. Donko say former Attorney General Ora Martin Amidu eka say MPs omo double salary abinda de atwemu kono had the chance to prosecute them but His Excellency the former president Addo Akuffo Addo eka che say onjai na enka enya hwe and MPs in the coin. Now you know after chairman untimi no omo target NPP fu bebra omo de omo bay hana mama omo se omo be frustrate mo se ne be ya 2020 8 and election ever you will not even have your peace of mind to contest because NDC for no they are not leaving power sooner or later ain't you know a baby said about your concert no do NPP for you see it's not about NPP for these two political parties they are all hypocrites they are friends and this NPP if you are NPP for be show mo NPP ba na NDC come be show mo na yen Ghana for na yet ha no I say Ghana no your politicians they are no mo pe omo de Ghana butcher scale waba MP saje double salary e two accounts abo Ghana krono say went man prosecute in the name of politics no money almost say NDC for kire won say omo nyenja power mun de into omo ye de Ghana for pe and this is what Ghanaians want ye per se politician be where the is we want to take the money back What bomane chrono? This is what we want. And then this if you who's tracking or more. Either they can collect the money or they cannot collect the money. They are just doing what they're supposed to do. It is what it is. Salagana for being I've been talking to NDC for baby. They planned this before coming to power. Omu plan omu bibia. No more a buy. Until whatever they plan, they are making sure to your friend is saying execute it before answer no more power. They will do it. And this is for omo me ya ni nanfo say mo he no kuta tabla kwa this guy say ya the family the cheme e kai say a whole president no to me e de ne flight number na ni security na beto appoint in the name of say what for private jet say wo ba be me na say NDC for mu ye bia o be resign and now your foreign your friend say a first minister o resign hypocrite. Sam George I pity to say the bia so sheko to say the bia say what no Sam George no he's a more kind in opposition and no buy Sam George wo yado fellow so for so kwache mo what they tell just who is a woni suban say yente say ma ore e de etuja
waba me say call free what chema untumi a ontra board so da tio ya man appointment bia so da eya no be kikana ya mbada please give me a break. The contract me man, have you gone there to this or execute contract nana? Have you gone there to this? Until you also tell yes, whether indeed we are constructing road nana and he also a man town and can you what I say? But what saying is a champion. Or no one trouble so that or yes CEO that only I say even if champion why am I saying the idea one in the very way you open the license. Yes, what I said. Meanwhile, you have not even established. Send your oil and lay illegal. You haven't. Meaning now you call by CSOs. You can phobia of some more voice. I'm on Casa, and I see a chapter spot hotspots in the city Tamaun to me so. I see someone who has read Tamaun to me in Galamsia. Messias at the moment, till you're revoking a license, Emma. Ya jeni excavated. On one side is Akuffo. Akuffo ye ya na meba.
Story being a Dasu champion, they now okay. This was 25th May.
Yeah.
2021.
Good.
Your date is 30th. Into 2021, 25th May. Or say Akuffo told Attorney General not to prosecute MPs fingered in double salary.
Yeah.
Investigation Martin Amidu, former special prosecutor, and that screen as well. Martin Amidu has alleged that President Akuffo instructed the then Attorney General Gloria Akuffo not to file charges against parliamentarians found to have received double salary.
That is it. And I'm Muslim. 48 million.
Conformity patch on the president so much. My goodness.
And now see how much I want me. 50 million contract into you.
My goodness.
Look, and you see, what made me so serious, and they say, they open two accounts. One to receive from the accountant general, and the other one to receive from parliament. Which is, and which a manager said, when you are a minister, now you're a parliamentarian, you decide which of the two portfolios you have to take your remuneration. Yeah. Either you take your remuneration as a minister, or whichever you think is better for you. Then you open one account, open another account. Then you have a catch and say, a mistake. Look, champion, you only make a mistake now, or because you say a mistake. Send me now to do one account to move. And now, because I say, and you now you try me over parliament. What do you open to a two separate account? Akugua. What you say? Look, so Chamamun to me, I've mentioned one. And yet, the Okudo Tablet call say, resign. And you do. Now, two. When in some nation containers in Ireland, is
2,600.
2,000.
1,300.
I should join in a public tax and say, hey, Yewia. One who said he wanted to give a narrative about painting MPP black.
Jadi na baby who you know one can say you go who minister we fee.
Sanity.
We no nipa we are everybody go who no. You go who nesi sifa.
I would say if 1,000 something brother, I who nesi meridian wow.
Abo.
Nancy and to say some sukeba. Abetakino and the ancient Chamaun to me. One said also who no afe. The question is that who's the one